So you're ready to design or just make over your kitchen, but when you look at all the options and decisions, it quickly gets overwhelming, and then you realize just how complicated a kitchen design can be. Well, first, take a deep breath and know you're not alone. You can get some help.
Well, let's take a look at the plan that you brought in and try to go ahead and locate a good place for your appliances first.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy, and they help you design the kitchen of your dreams. They use your kitchen's current dimensions and customize your plan, and they make sure that you're involved in the whole process so you get exactly what you want.
Since you're going to have room in this kitchen for an island, are you going to want to leave room for bar stools?
Yes, definitely.
Add beauty, storage, and functionality. The best part is that you're able to see changes on the screen. You can take a digital walkthrough with one of their design consultants.
Are there any other features that you can think you'd like to add to the layout?
I'd really like pots and pans organization and maybe a trash can pullout.
That'll be easy.
If you see photos of styles that you like, bring them in. Super Home Surplus is more than happy to walk with you through the store or help with ideas if you don't even know where to start. They'll even show you popular styles and colors and go from there.
So this Shaker White's still one of our bigger sellers, and you get to choose your hardware, whether it's something in the gold family, maybe with a matte black or one of the other finishes that you like.
Yeah, I love this one.
Super Home Surplus wants you to ask questions, so feel free to stop by the store or give them a call if you need anything.
Super Home Surplus. They have stores in Madison and in Bowling Green. You can stop by and check it out. Also visit superhomesurplus.com for more info.